Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about Jio. So that is Reliance company's meeting which was held yesterday. So that is 43rd Reliance virtual meeting and so in this meeting what happened and one personalized launch. So that is Jio Glass. So we're going to talk about this subject, this Jio Glass, in this full video. So before going to this, the main topic, the hero of this topic, the first thing which we want to talk here is the company Jio. So basically what yesterday happened in the meeting is the Jio company has given an official statement that within 1 year we are going to have 5G in India. So that is so good. So basically this 5G is going to be launched in India very soon. So this was a statement given by Ambani yesterday. So that is good now. So coming back to our topic. So if you ask me why I'm saying this, suppose if you're interested in stock market and so, try to invest on Reliance Industry because it will grow. So that is my personal suggestion. So keeping that thing aside, coming to our topic, Jio Glass. So this Jio Glass is basically of using the technology mixed reality. So for those people who have no idea what is this mixed reality, and so the first thing which we want to say very clearly is about this virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality. So basically all these things are almost similar. So what is the baseline? So the baseline is basically you will be just sitting in your place or your home or whatever or wherever you are, but you in front of you, that is in front of your eyes, you will be having Taj Mahal. That is virtual reality. So in the sense, it is not like a reality platform, but they'll just give you a virtual space where you can feel those things. So that is this virtual reality. So basically what's the thing is, you'll be sitting in your home and you can watch maybe like Eiffel Tower in front of you, or maybe some museums in front of you. That is what purely this reality comes. So virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, and so that is the baseline. So coming back to our product, so coming back to our hero. So what this Jio Glass does is this also does the same thing as mixed reality, but the extra additional thing which Jio is using here, or you can just ask me why Jio came up with this Jio Glass right now. So that is basically due to two main reasons. The first thing is basically due to coronavirus, and the second thing is no one can go outside right now. So that is the baseline why these both things played a very important role in Reliance. So what this Jio Glass does is it's going to provide virtual meetings and maybe virtual classrooms as well. So virtual meetings in the sense, you'll be sitting in your home and you will get a virtual impact of attending your office meetings and so. And coming to the second thing, a virtual classroom is something quite big for our technology and for our people in India. So what this virtual classroom does is, like before going this virtual classroom, I have to just say about the present situation of a classroom which is going on around India. So what basically this schools does is basically they'll just send you some links, like online classroom links and so to the parents' mobile phones or maybe IDs and so, where they have to open it and then they have to put their children in front of it and where they'll start teaching it. So this is what is happening right now in India, but with help of this Jio Glass, what is going to happen is there is no need of this internet connections, right? No need of phones and so. So what is the baseline is, we'll just ask your children to just wear the Jio Glass, and with help of that Jio Glass, they'll be having a virtual classroom around them. In the sense, their teacher will be sitting or standing in front of their eyes and they'll be teaching the lesson. So it is like more or like their actual classroom. So that is the thing what Jio is trying to do, which is quite good, because this technology is basically available in games, movies and so, and it is being launched by very top companies as well. But talking now, it's from Jio, it is from our nation. That is quite good. So that's what I'm saying here. And what is the other reasons like why these things came is, because the first thing is the teachers are feeling lots of issues in communicating with them or making them to do works and so. But with the help of virtual classrooms, they can do all the things which is like so similar to their normal classrooms. So that is good. And in addition to that, the Jio has added additional features to this Jio Glass. So what is those things? So the first thing is its weight. So the weight of Geo Glass is just 75 grams. So 75 grams in the sense even a fifth class or sixth class or maybe 10th class, anyone can just wear it and they can start using those virtual classrooms ka thing. And coming to the next point is the design of this virtual glass. So the design is so normal. You can't expect like too high design features, and so it is so normal, which is quite good because this normal design will be helpful while coming up with a price. So in the sense, when the price is somewhat affordable, there will be more people who's approaching it, and even the schools will start buying in a large scale and they'll start giving to the students as well. So that is also quite good. But if they keep the design is so high, and so that is not going to work. So that is quite good, which I feel too good. So the design is quite good. And talking about the camera features, the camera is placed at the center of the specs, so that is here. And whereas the speakers are kept at the stems. So stems in the sense here. So the speakers are kept in the stems of the glasses, and the company has given an official statement that it can support all audio formats. So in the sense MP3, MP4, ACX, or maybe RAW, you can go for any MP3s or any audio files, everything will be supported, which is quite good. And the company has also taken these things to the next level, where you can share documents, projects, presentations, all those things, videos in this virtual things. So what is the benefit of this thing is basically, if you're attending some meetings, you have to give some presentations where you have to open some PPTs and so, which is possible with help of the Geo Glass. And this is also useful for teachers as well. So they can just open like a chalkboard ka thing, like a visual screen where they can start teaching as well, rather than simply just talking or simply just saying in mouth, which is not good. So those things is also brought up in this Geo Glass. So that is quite good. Like what to say, on the baseline they are just filling all the doubts which is available in the market. So that is good. And coming to the next thing is, they have made the video calls optional. So in the sense, there are like two options for making video calls. So it is, the first one is 2D calls and the second one is 3D calls. So for making this like a reality, what the company has did yesterday is, the president of Reliance Industries, so that is Kiran Thomas, have made a call to two people, that is Akash and Isha Ambani, via two ways. So the first one called via 2D and the second one is called via 3D. So you can get a real experience like what it does, rather than just buying and seeing the reviews and so. The company has made it so live, and all the audience were, so that is so good, which is good for our technologies which is present in our nation. So these things are about these features. And the final feature is, suppose if you need internet connections in your Geo Glass, then you have to connect to your smartphones via USB cables. There is no more inbuilt Bluetooth or any sorts of things, Wi-Fi, and so you have to connect to your smartphones, and then you can start accessing the internet and you can start using things. So this is the basic features of all this Geo Glass, which has been given yesterday in the launch. But still there are many questions like, what are the internal qualifications, like what are the technicals which is used inside, and what is the price. So that is very important, which like many people are waiting, because if the price is so high, then it's quite a failure. But if Geo comes with an affordable price, then I think so like even the schools will start buying it and they'll start giving it to students or maybe parents, like including their fees bill ka thing. So that is quite good. So we have to wait because the price is not announced till now. So this is the full thing about what happened yesterday in Geo Glass. So Geo event about this Geo Glass. So this is the end of this video. So hope so you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So like this content, I'll just meet you in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.